Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make animations faster on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. First of all, I'm gonna show you how to smoothen your animations so they appear faster. To do that, you're gonna have to open settings on your smartphone. And in settings, go to display section, find motion smoothness, or screen refresh rate on some other models, and then change to adaptive smoothness, or if you don't see the adaptive smoothness, switch to 120 Hz usually, and this will make your animation look smoother and therefore faster. The next thing that you're gonna have to do is go to About Phone, find software information, then locate build number in here, tap build number 7 times until you have to confirm your action with a password, then tap OK, and this way you will enable developer options. Now, to access developer options on your Samsung, scroll beneath About Phone section and you will find developer options right here. Now here we can actually make animations look not only look but be faster. To do this, let's scroll down this list until we find the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and also the animator duration scale. Just select each of these options, and then you can either change the duration scale to 0.5x, which will make the animations on your phone twice as faster, as you can see right now, or you can simply turn off the animations, which will make navigation on your device even more faster. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.